Hello one and all. The previous sessions already discussed chain rule of partial differentiation introduction and as well as one example also. So today we are going to the second example in this session. Okay, first we'll write that what given. 1 second. First we'll write that given u equals to f of r comma s comma t, where r equals to x by y, comma s equals to y by z, comma t equals to z by x. Here the u equals to f of r comma s comma t is one function. Inside another functions we have three. Is that right? So we know that chain rule of partial differentiation dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Okay. So here we have three variables and three functions. Now that's we'll write the already I told to you one shortcut now. Dou u dou x plus dou u dou x. We'll write the three times. Dou u. If you know the formula, there is no issue. Okay. Otherwise, please follow this. Dou u dou z, dou u dou z, dou u dou z. So now I'll write what? So now I'll find out that what's differentiation of okay, u with respect to r. That's why we'll write that what? Dou r, and again we'll find out the differentiation of r with respect to x. That's why dou r by dou x, dou u by dou r and dou r by dou x. In the same manner we'll find out that what? Dou u by dou s. Again we'll find out the differentiation with respect to x. Here we'll find out the differentiation of differentiation of u with respect to t and differentiation of t with respect to x. The same manner we'll find out that y. Okay. Dou u by dou r by dou y, dou u by dou s by dou t by dou u by dou t by dou y. So dou u by dou r by dou z, dou u by dou s by dou z, dou u by dou t by dou z. So here also in dou u by dou y also first we'll find out the differentiation of u with respect to r, and we'll find out the differentiation of r with respect to y. The differentiation of u plus differentiation of u with respect to s, differentiation of s with respect to y. Same manner we'll write that dou u by dou t plus dou t by dou y. The same manner we'll write similarly write the dou u by dou z. Okay. This is the equation. What is that? I'm going to given here the 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm going to find out the dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z, dou s by dou x, dou s by dou y, dou s by dou z, dou t by dou x, dou t by dou y, dou t by dou z. So first we'll write that r equals to what is that? X by y. Now I'm going to find out the dou r by dou x. So dou r by dou x. Okay, right? Here 1 by y constant. With respect to x, y is constant now. So x differentiation 1. So we'll get that what? 1 by y. So dou r by dou y. With respect to y, x is constant. We'll write that x. So what is the remaining term? 1 by y. 1 by y differentiation minus 1 by y square. So we'll write that minus x by y square. Next dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou z is mean that here So we have only x comma y terms, those are constant, constant differentiation 0. Okay. Next, what is it? S equals to y by z. So first we'll find out the dou s by dou x. With respect to y and z are constant, so differentiation 0. The next we'll write dou s by dou y. With respect to y, z is constant. 1 by z into y differentiation 1, we'll write that 1 by z. The next we'll find out the dou s by dou z. So with respect to z, y is constant. 1 by z differentiation minus 1 by z square. Okay. That equals to minus y by z square. The next we'll write that what? T. So T equals to z by x. First find out the dou t by dou x. So with respect to x, z constant, z into 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square. So we'll write here minus z by x square. Okay. Next we'll find out that what? Dou t by dou y. With respect to y, x comma z are constant, we'll write that 0. The next one, dou t by dou z. With respect to z, x is constant, z differentiation 1 here, so we'll write that 1 by x. These are substituting, okay, these are substituting equation 2, 3, sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So now I'll write that what is the dou u by dou x? What is the dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou r into dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x, 1 by y. Okay. Dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x, 0. Dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x minus z by x square. Okay, we'll write dou u by dou x equals to, what is that here? 1 by y into dou u by dou r, 1 by y into dou u by dou r, the second term 0, third one minus z by x square minus z by x square into dou u by dou t. This is equation 4. So now I'll find out that what? Dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y equals to what? Dou u by dou r, dou r by dou y. What is the dou r by dou y? Minus x by y square, minus x by y square, plus dou u by dou s and dou s by dou y, 1 by z, plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. What is the dou t by dou y? 0. Okay, this will be 0. So now write that what? Dou u by dou y equals to minus x by y square into dou u by dou r minus, sorry, plus 1 by z into dou u by dou s. This is equation 5. Next we'll find out dou u by dou z. So dou u by dou z equals to what? Dou u by dou r by dou z. What is the dou r by dou z? 0. Plus dou u by dou s by dou z. Dou s by dou z minus y by z square. Minus y by z square. Plus dou u by dou t dou t by dou z 1 by x. So now I'll write this will be 0, dou u by dou z equals to minus y by z square into dou u by dou s plus 1 by x into dou u by dou t. This is equation 6. So what is our given question? Find out x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. Okay. Now I'll write x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z. So that equals to, we'll write that what? X into, what is the dou u by dou x from? 4 1 by y dou u by dou r minus z by x square into dou u by dou t. Okay, plus y into dou u by dou y. What is the dou u by dou y? Minus x by y square dou u by dou r plus 1 by z into dou u by dou s plus z into, what is that, dou u by dou z minus y by z square into dou u by dou s plus 1 by x into dou u by dou t. To simplify this, x by y dou u by dou r minus into plus minus zx by x square is mean that z by x dou u by dou t plus here y cancel, plus into minus, okay, minus, we'll write that x by y dou u by dou r, the next one plus y by z dou u by dou s. The last term plus into minus, minus z cancel, write that minus y by z dou u by dou s plus z by x dou u by dou t. So if you observe this one, x by y dou u by dou r minus x by y, z by x dou u by dou t, y by z dou u by dou s, all are cancel. So therefore get the x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z equals to 0. Hence it is proved. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Then you will get further notifications. Thank you.